Okay folks, I want to show you a little bit about our new drill press. So here's our control panel. Notice the safety shield moves out of the way. I got my dice piece set up in the vise and it is center punched. So what I want to show you is this is the emergency off button. So if someone hits it, in order to turn it on, you have to twist it and it pops out to turn it on. Then you have the on button. And that starts the drill press moving. One of the cooler features of this drill press is its variable speed. And for our dice, we want to be between 800 and 1,000 RPM. So I'm going to set it for around 900. And then over here you have the quill. So I'm going to bring the drill down. I'm going to give it a shot of oil, just like the other drill press. Remember, you just need a tiny drop. Okay, so that's how you turn it off. Move the safety shield and take your piece out.